What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the QT5 by RevoNext. Now currently on Amazon, these are 4 stars out of 5. They've only got 12 customer reviews, but they seem to be pretty good. Now they come in 2 different colors, but 2 different variations as well. This is the copper with no mic variation, then they have a copper with the mic, then they have a gun color, and then a gun color with a mic. And they're only like 29 bucks, so very affordable. I'd probably go for the mic version, it's only $1 more. Now they are saying that you're supposed to get some really deep bass, superior hi-fi sound quality. That's always a plus, but I'll be the judge of that. Oh, fancy. All right, what do we got in here? All right, we got 2 extra sets of ear cups. Looks like an instruction manual. Not really sure why anybody would need that considering that they're not even wireless. And then we've got a warranty card. You actually get a 12-month warranty with these, so that's pretty good. Give you 12 months to test them out. Ooh, oh wow, those have some weight. Those are definitely metal. Wow, look at those things. They're almost steampunk looking. Got the little screws showing. I'm really liking the style. It's got the ergonomic curve, which is always a plus. And we got about a 5-foot long cable. You got your basic 3.5 plug on it. Oh wow. Oh, those are cold. Ooh, I just got goosebumps. Look at that. Goosebumps. Goosies. I got the, I put it in the right side? Oh, I'm putting it in backwards. Okay, so I wasn't paying attention, but it's got this rubber coating on this side to add that curve because they actually go up and over and then they fit like that. So the cable, there we go, wraps around the ear like so. Those make a nice seal. Oh, those look good. Hey, those look classy. Yeah, these are classy. 28 bucks. That's a fashion statement right here. All right, let's try it out. Wow, it's got a good range of sound. Oh, I'm really liking that. Okay, let's try. It can handle its bass. It definitely can handle its bass. I'm liking that. It's good, they pass. Even though they have a little bit of extra weight to them, just because of the material that they used, it passed the shake test, so I'm liking it. All right, so a good mythical morning it's up to today. Oh, I can hear the whistling in Rhett's nose hairs. I can hear, yeah, these are great. I'm gonna do a little acoustic audio real quick. Wow. That's pretty good. Let's try a distance check. All right, so I was able to get about 1.5 feet, but the connection was nice and solid. I'm digging them. Okay. So since these ones don't have the mic, obviously I'm not gonna do a phone call test, but I gotta say, these are nice. Once you get past the cold part, and they warm up pretty quickly because they're metal, they're really comfortable, they pass the shake test. Now the audio coming out of these is really good. I don't know yet until I edit this video if there was any sound leak, but if there was, you guys will hear it. But what I hear in these, super clear, very clear audio, even the lows, very crisp, not real sharp, to where it's like piercing the ear, because you can crank them all the way up and they get pretty loud, but it's not painfully loud. You know what I mean? Like when treble is too high. As advertised, they definitely have a good balanced armature. I like the design, I really do. I didn't think I would. Copper's not really my thing, but I gotta say, I'm kind of digging that steampunk look. I like it. For $29, you're getting some pretty good sound quality out of these. If you're just looking for some casual earbuds for listening, this is definitely a good way to go. I'm really liking these. But all right guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.